Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajax G here with another video. I know it's been a while and I am sorry. I was finishing up my semester. I was streaming on Tuesdays trying to keep it consistent, and I was uploading on other days. But then as the semester came to a close, it was like I have to grind it out. So I do apologize for all the late videos, but I will be back in action, guys. So yeah. So starting with that. So today's episode is going to be about the blue snowball versus the Yeti. Now, other people, when they do the Yeti versus the snowballs, they do a lot of they tweak the Yeti a little bit and then they, say how it sounds versus each other. For this video, we are going to focus on straight out of the box, how do the two compare, okay? So there's different settings on the Yeti. If you have ever purchased a Yeti or looked at the Yeti, there are different settings like podcast, streaming, there's doing music, and then I forgot what the third one is. I think interview, sound, or whatever the case. So I'm going to put all four sounds in this video so you can hear how they sound compared to each other. But I am going to just let you guys know, is it worth paying the extra $50 to $60 for the Yeti, or if you should just pay anywhere from $30 to $50 for the blue snowball. Now there's other videos out there like this, but of course, I'm going to throw this on my channel because I just got one used off of someone for $50. I actually got two for $100 and I sold the other one. So yeah. Alright, so let's get into this. Let's compare the microphones. Alright, so I am recording with the Yeti microphone right now. I am about 1 foot away from the microphone. A lot of people are a little closer when they're streaming, so this is me a little bit closer to the microphone, okay? This is on the gaming and streaming and podcast setting, and the gain is right in the middle, okay? I wanted to make sure that pretty much straight out of the box, everyone's going to leave everything exactly how it is once you open the box. Alright, so this is the first setting. Now I'm going to move on to the next setting. Alright, I am still talking with the Blue Yeti. This is omnidirectional. Again, the gain is straight in the middle. And this is how it sounds, okay? Typically, you want to use this when you are in a conference or if you are in the field. So I'm assuming with the camera, mic plugged into the camera, and you're recording something. So this is the setting that you would use for that. Okay, switching on to the third setting. This is bi-directional. So this is if you are having an interview with someone. So right now I am talking on one side. I am about 2 feet away from the microphone now. And this is me turning the microphone around and talking from the other side. So if you're interviewing someone, this is what you would use, especially if you're going to keep a little distance because we're still socially distancing. This is the setting that you would use if you were having an interview with someone. Alright, we're going to switch over to the last setting. And to end off on the last setting, this is the stereo setting. This is for anyone that's a rapper, singer, if you're doing instruments. This is the setting that you would use for recording with that. Now, I am not a singer, nor am I a rapper, so I'm not even going to try the rap on the trap, okay? That rhymed accidentally, alright? So now I'm going to switch back over to the snowball so you can see how it sounds. Okay, so I'm going to go to the snowball and I'm going to put the Yeti back to the gaming and streaming settings because that's typically what you're going to use a microphone for, so you can hear the difference from the snowball and the Yeti. Alright, so now this is on the gaming and streaming setting again. So this is how it sounds with the Blue Yeti. Now I'm going to switch back to the snowball so we can see the comparison. Alright, and we have switched back into the snowball. So this is how the two microphones sound. To me, I like the sound of the snowball straight out of the box. Now again, if you're going to pay $100 for a microphone, you're obviously going to tweak it to make it sound pitch perfect for you. But for someone that just likes to plug and play, I would rather go with the $50 snowball versus the $100 Yeti. Now again, if you're someone that's going to tweak the settings, I would definitely go with the $100 Yeti, as the stand looks beautiful and I like how it just looks. It just looks professional compared to the snowball. But I mean, it's always up to your own preference. Thank you guys for joining the video. I know I have been behind. I will catch up for you guys, I promise. And I will have some more videos coming out for you in the next few weeks. All right, Ajax G out.